celestial flow. Take me high where the stars in silence lie. Every breath, every sound pulls me closer to the ground. Celestial flow, I let go. Through the light I start to grow. Every color soft and slow carries me in your glow. Sets me free. Celestial flow, take me high where the stars in silence lie. Every breath, every sound pulls me closer to the ground. Celestial flow, I let go. Through the light I start to grow. Every color soft and slow carries me in your glow. Let me drift, don't pull me down. I'm weightless now. I hear the sound. The galaxies begin to spin. I feel the light come from within. Celestial flow, I am free, boundless as infinity. Every spark, every hue breathes the universe anew. Celestial flow, I remain, dancing softly through the rain. Every tone, every glow is the song I've come to know. The stars will fade, the dawn will show, but I'll still shine in celestial flow.
The night is up, the air is slow. The ocean hums a song we know. I see your eyes beneath the stars. They shine like echoes from afar. The water moves, it pulls us near.
Your whisper melts into my ear. A quiet rhythm, hearts align. The moon reflects your soul in mine, and in this tide I lose the pain. The past is gone, love will remain.
Under moonlight waves we fall. Nothing matters, no one calls. Every heartbeat slow and true. Feels like drifting close to you.
Through the silence, through the sea, you're the calm inside of me. Under moonlight waves we stay.
Love won't ever fade away. stars are painting silver lines across the edge of your design. Every breath a gentle flame, the night repeats your sweetest name.
The world fades out, the noise is gone. In your arms I still belong. The moonlight dances on your face. The sea becomes our sacred place. So take my hand. Don't be afraid, this moment's ours. It's gently made.
Under moonlight waves we fall. Nothing matters, no one calls. Every heartbeat slow and true. Feels like drifting close to you.
Through the silence, through the sea, you're the calm inside of me. Under moonlight waves we stay.
Love won't ever fade away. Maybe the tide will pull us home. Maybe we'll find we're not alone. Every star above will glow like promises we'll never show.
Under moonlight waves we fall. Hearts collide, we feel it all. Every tear becomes a sea, washing pain away from me. Through the silence, through the blue, every thought returns to you. Under moonlight waves we stay.
Love won't ever fade away. In the dark, the light still saves. Our love drifts on through moonlight waves.
The sea is calm, the wind is kind. It clears the noise inside my mind. The sky reflects the world I know, where endless tides just come and go. My footprints fade into the sand as waves erase what I once planned. Every sound, a soft release. The ocean whispers, find your peace. I let the current take my hand. It pulls me far beyond the land. Blue horizon, wide and free. You're the calm inside of me. Every breath a gentle wave, carrying the life you gave. Blue horizon, endless view. I lose myself, I feel brand new. Every color soft and true paints my soul in shades of blue. horizon, take me home. I was never meant to roam. Every dream, every hue finds its way through skies of blue, blue horizon. I am free, part of earth, part of sea. Every breath, every view, live forever, blue and true. The ocean fades, the stars appear, but I still feel the calm right here. The world turns slow, the night is new. My heart drifts on, blue horizon. Floating through the endless night, chasing stars beyond the light. Every sound a gentle wave carries all the peace I crave. Time dissolves, the sky turns clear. I feel your voice inside my ear, whisper soft like silver mist. We fade away, we coexist. The moment slows, I lose control. I let the rhythm take my soul. We drift eternal through the air. No beginning, we're just there. Every heartbeat, every sigh fades like light into the sky. Floating softly far from pain, and this calm will still remain. We drift eternal, lost and free in the sound of you and me. Shadows move and colors glow, memories from long ago. Every breath feels like a dream, flowing gently in between. The silence hums, the world stands still. My thoughts surrender to your will. We fall like rain into the sea, dissolving in infinity. The stars align above the tide, above the tide. The night becomes our only guide. We drift eternal through the air. No beginning, we're just there. Every heartbeat, every sigh fades like light into the sky. Floating softly far from pain, and this calm will still remain. We drift eternal, lost and free in the sound of you and close your eyes, don't be afraid. Let the silence serenade. Every fear begins to fade in the peace that we have made. We drift eternal side by side, through the storm and through the tide. Every second feels like new, every sound reminds of you. Floating softly far from pain, in this calm will still remain. We drift eternal endlessly, in the sound of you and me. In the sound of you and me. Let it go, let it be, lost forever in the sea. Every wave, every lift carries us, eternal trip. City lights are glowing bright, painting stars across the night. Every step I take alone feels like home, but far from home. Reflections dance in silver rain, the echoes whisper your name. I chase the silence down the street, where dreams and memories meet. And I wonder where you are tonight, beneath the neon sky so bright. Under neon skies, I feel the rhythm come alive. Through the noise, I hear your voice telling me to just survive. Floating high, I close my eyes, lost between the lows and highs. In your light, I realize I'm still alive. Under neon skies. Streetlights hum a quiet tune, shadows dance beneath the moon. Every sound feels soft and clear, like your heart beats still near. The world slows down, I lose control. The night reveals my hidden soul, and though the crowd begins to fade, I find the calm this city made. Every color paints my mind, leaving every thought behind. Under neon skies, I feel the rhythm come alive. Through the noise, I hear your voice telling me to just survive. Floating high, I close my eyes, lost between the lows and highs. In your light, I realize I'm still alive. Under neon skies. Maybe love's a quiet sound, in the dark it can be found. Every color, every hue feels like I'm returning to you. Under neon skies, my heart begins to synchronize. Every light a memory, burning bright inside of me. Floating high, close my eyes, lost between the lows and highs. In your light, I realize I'm still alive. Under neon skies. Neon skies will fade someday, but your light will always stay. When the city falls asleep, the sand. Every whisper of the wind takes me where my soul began. The sunlight dances on my skin. I breathe the calm, I let it in. The ocean sings a melody, a song of peace and harmony. I close my eyes, I drift away. The world feels quiet, night meets day. Let the waves wash my mind, take me far from space and time, floating free, endlessly. I'm alive with the ocean breeze. Let the stars light my way. Through the calm I choose to stay. Every tide sets me free. I'm alive with the ocean breeze. The moon reflects upon the sea, painting dreams for you and me. Every shadow starts to glow. The deeper currents pull below. I hear your voice inside the phone. It whispers softly, you're not alone. I follow rhythm, hard to wave into the peace that oceans gave. Silence speaks, I hear it call. The rise, the fall, I feel it all. Let the waves wash my mind, take me far from space and time, floating free, endlessly. I'm alive with the ocean breeze. Don't wake me yet, I'm dreaming still. The sea is calm, the world stands still. In this place where hearts can heal, the water knows what words can't feel. Let the waves wash my mind, Sunlight breaks across the sky, painting gold in my mind's eye. Every shadow starts to fade, every doubt begins to trade. The breeze reminds me I'm alive. In this calm my dreams survive. The world is slow, the colors blend. I find my peace where moments bend, and I breathe the golden air, feel the freedom everywhere. In the golden air I rise, open hearts, open skies, every heartbeat pure and clear. I am light, I disappear, let the silence guide my way through the dawn of a brighter day. Every sound and every prayer drifts within this golden air. The world awakens slow and kind. I leave my worries far behind. Gentle laughter, distant calls. The sunlight dances on the walls, every leaf and every tree sings a quiet symphony. I'm lost in glow, I'm lost in sound, where peace and wonder both are found. In the air I find release, my heart begins to speak in peace. In the golden air I ride, open hearts, open skies, every heartbeat pure and clear. I am light, I disappear, let the silence guide my way through the dawn of a brighter day. Every sound and every prayer drifts within this golden air. Time stands still, I let it flow through my veins, the sunlight glows. I see my soul in every hue. This golden air feels born anew. In the golden air we rise, chasing dreams across the skies. Every tear begins to fade, replaced by peace the light has made. Through the rhythm, through the flame, I breathe again, I call your name. Every sound, every prayer carries love through golden air. In the stillness I repair, I'm alive in golden air. The sun is low, the world's asleep. I hold a light I wanna keep. The colors melt, the shadows sigh. We fade beneath the ember sky. The air is warm, the night is near. Your voice is all I long to hear. Every glow and every sound feels like peace I finally found. I close my eyes, I feel the hue. The sky is gold, it looks like you. Amber sky, don't fade away. Hold this warmth where dreams can stay. Every heartbeat soft and slow. sun still lives behind